I'm running for this position because I care about people and I care that our system of justice works fairly and efficiently for everyone. What I would bring to the bench, I believe, is perspective. Fresh, broad, and personal. Fresh perspective. I have practiced law for 25 years in courts throughout the state of Michigan and in federal courts throughout this country. I have seen a lot of different judges and been in a lot of different courts and have a lot of experience and information to draw upon in terms of making our courts work better here in Ottawa County. In terms of a broad perspective, I have represented people from all walks of life. I have represented businesses large and small. I have represented families and individuals. I have represented clients in the manufacturing, into various different types of manufacturing, in healthcare, in transportation, in food and food service, education and higher education, retail, service, and professional services. I have a broad background, a broad experience of dealing with people in a variety of different business and individual settings. I couple that with an extensive record of community service. Rotary, being a founding member of the Lakeshore Ethnic Diversity Alliance and serving as president of that board. I've worked with kids in the Tri-Cities Kids League and with parents in getting their kids on the right teams. I've worked with senior citizens at Evergreen Village here in Spring Lake. I've worked with kids as a reading mentor in the elementary schools. I've worked with the disadvantaged and disenfranchised through the Lakeshore Ethnic Diversity Alliance. I have worked with a lot of different kinds of people. I understand people, I care about them, and I know how the law affects them. And that's why I think I have the broadest perspective that I would bring to this bench. And finally, I bring a personal perspective. Ed talked about making it real. I was 10 years old when my folks were divorced. I still remember sitting in Judge Wendell Miles' office in the old Ottawa County Courthouse and him asking me the question, who do you want to live with? I know what it's like for a kid to be caught in the middle of a divorce, and that experience will serve me well as a family law judge. So, perspective, fresh, broad, and personal. I think that makes me a winning candidate for the Ottawa County Circuit Court bench.